Raisa. Good evening, Tita Beth. My question is, both of you are known as the builder of a star. How long or what's your milestone for...
Si Herman Moreno.
What's your milestone for the career of Raisa? Do you have sustainable plans for her career? And same with pagdating ng panahon, we will be launching the first Queer and Gay Movie Festival this coming May. Are you willing to be a godfather? Same with Tita Beth. Are you willing to be godmother of the festival?
Yes, of course. We support the Noel, LGBTB ko, ano ba?
LGBT.
As a matter of fact, we have some very good and clear messages in this movie about kasarian. You know, so hindi malayo sa amin na sumuporta sa mga ganyang adhikain. Lalim, ano? And as a star builder, I don't see myself as a star builder. I see myself as a supporter and a believer sa mga raw talents. Like yung mga raw talents ni Raisa and surprisingly, Bimbi. I can assure you na pag nagtuloy-tuloy si Bimbi, kasi depende sa pag-aaral eh. Kay Chris, siyempre ang priority is pag-aaral. Hindi dapat pabayaan ang pag-aaral. Katulad ni Raisa, kahit busy ito, top 5 sa klase yan. Ilang kayo sa klase?
6.
So I'm more of a believer in raw talents. And kung ano magagawa ko para makatulong doon sa talent na yun, gagawin ko hanggang sa kaya ko.
Thank you.